Yeah, bird.
I'm pretty good.
So, hi guys. So in today's video, I wanted to do all my summer favorite items that I've been loving this summer, 2022. So let's get into it. I have a big box of get into the video. I'm gonna show the makeup stuff first because it's what's on top of this box. Let me put it over here. So the first thing is my Juvia's Place bronzer in the color tan. This is how it looks. I'll put these away. So this is how it looks. It has two shades. It has a lighter bronzer shade and it has a darker shade, and I'm in the color tan, and this is what I've been using all summer long. I absolutely love the shades in here. They match me perfectly. I can use the lighter one when I'm less tan, and I can use the darker one when I'm more tan, or I can go in and mix both. And normally I can get away with using the top one all throughout summer until like the end of summer. I'll probably have to use this or mix, but I've been using the top one and it looks absolutely flawless on me. So grab you some Juvia's Place bronzer. I've seen that they came out with some blushes, and it comes in the same packaging like this, and I'm gonna go grab them and pick them up because your girl have been getting into blush more, and I'm gonna go into blush. So I got the Fenty brush in Rose Latte 10, and baby, if you're my skin tone or lighter or medium skin range, light to medium, this blush right here, this cream blush, is going to look absolutely amazing on you, okay? As you can see, if you watch my vlog video, my daughter actually got into it and digged it out, but I've been using this all summer long, all spring long. It looks flawless. It gives me the perfect shade of rose blush for my skin tone. It looks amazing. And then another product that I've been loving, and I've been using this way before summer. So it's the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. Yeah, babe. I have broad spectrum SPF 50, and I'm in the shade Hazelnut 115. So I don't have the best skin, and when it comes on to serum foundation or skin tints or anything like that, I don't like them because I don't feel like they cover enough. But this one, I picked it up at Walmart and it covers. It gives me medium to full coverage if I build it up to full. Right off the bat, you're gonna get medium coverage. If you put on 2 layers, you're going to get full coverage. This right here have been a saving grace, especially in the summertime when you want that no makeup look, like you haven't put in much effort and you want like a nice dewy look, because this is not matte at all. It's more like a satin finish, and I love satin finish because I have combination skin, and it holds up super amazing. I actually wore this to the club the other night and it held up amazing once you set it. So normally I pair this with this, and this is my Juvia's Place concealer in 16. Oh, what did I do?
Remember?
Yeah, bird.
I'm pretty good.
So this is the concealer I've been wearing all summer long, and it is creamy, it's full coverage, and it's also the right undertone. I don't know what it is about these companies, these makeup companies, that they like to have like a beige undertone with their concealer. This is straight up a yellow undertone concealer and it looks amazing. I use this now that I'm tan and it's like the perfect shade, but when I'm a little bit lighter, I mix this with like the LA Girl yellow corrector and it looks amazing. I took photos of Babe took photos of me on Memorial Weekend and I was a little bit lighter because it wasn't summertime and I mixed this with that yellow corrector. It looked so good and it lasted all night. Okay, so this is hitting. This and that bronzer hits every single time and it's super creamy, so you don't have to worry about it not looking right underneath your eyes, especially if you're more mature age and you don't want anything that's going to be matte and cakey. This is it. And this also reminds me of the Too Faced concealer, Born This Way concealer, but this is less expensive and it has a better undertone to me personally. Let's see. And then last but not least, your girl could not go without talking about my Fenty Beauty lip gloss, and this is in Fenty Glow. I know they have a whole bunch of new shades and stuff, but this right here, it just does what it's supposed to do every single time for me personally, and I keep sticking to it. This is actually my second one. I have like one in my purse somewhere and then I have a small one. Like these are my fave, absolute fave makeup stuff. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and like if I want full coverage, if I want beat down, beat for the gods, face stain all night, wake up face still look good, this is my go-to. I've been using this for years. I've literally, when I used to do makeup, I used to actually have this in my makeup kit for people that have super duper oily skin. This sits, okay? If you want to go to the club, wake up, go get breakfast, go to sleep, wake up again and still have your makeup on for summer, this is for you. Okay, this, and I make this work for dry skin and I make this work for oily skin. This right here is amazing. But if you have oily skin and you're looking for something that is super duper matte, this is going to be your best friend right here. And this is my purse. This is the purse that I got from Fashionable. And this have seen so many parties this summer. I think like this is like my go-to black purse that I don't know what to wear. I pick this up and I go because it looks really good. It holds everything that I needed to hold, like my wallet, my cards, like if I'm bringing lip gloss or something, or if Babe has something, his wallet, and I need to put it in here. It holds everything perfectly. I love the size. I absolutely love the size. This is even quilted Chanel luxury. Okay, it reminds me of the Chanel quilted CC bag that they have, but this is a more affordable version. And I love the fact that it has like a gunmetal black handle, because I feel like sometimes when bags have like silver handles, like on bags like this, it kind of makes them look cheap. But this looks luxurious. This is nice. And I've taken it out, I think like 5 or 6 times already. So this is like my go-to purse. Okay. And then let's get into clothing items. So this is a maxi dress, and this dress is actually from Shein, and I got it in a size medium. And I'll insert pictures or video footage somewhere of me actually wearing this dress. This dress gives what it's supposed to give. Okay, whatever color you get in this dress, I'll make sure it's amazing. And this can be transitional. You can wear it spring, you can wear it summer, you can wear it fall. Absolutely love this maxi dress. I love the color. As you can see, your girl is getting more into pink because my shirt actually have pink, and this is also from Shein. But this dress, it hits every single time. Whether you're going out for brunch, you're going out to dinner, you're running errands, that's the dress. That's the maxi dress. And then I have another dress. All the stuff that I got, I'm going to show you from Shein, because Shein has been having me in a chokehold this spring and summer. So this is this green dress. It has some cutouts at the front, and it is like two-toned. I also have this in pink. When I tell you, this dress sits, it sits, okay? And this is another maxi dress. I guess I have a thing for maxi dresses this summer, but those two, get them. Don't even ask any question, get them. And I would suggest you go down a size, because these dresses are kind of like stretchy ribbed material, and I got mine in medium. I definitely could have gotten away with a small, but I didn't want to chance it. But those two dress everything. And then this is actually a two-piece set. It comes with a shirt, but I'm showing you the shorts because I've been wearing the shorts non-stop. I actually wore the shorts on my birthday with a pink bodysuit from Shein, and it was a look, okay? I also wore this with a crop top, and it looked amazing. These short set that they be having on Shein looks really good. You can wear the top separate, you can wear the bottom separate, you can make it into a whole fit, which is why I like the sets that they have, especially the shorts one. Normally in the summer you will catch me wearing like sweat shorts, but I've opted to get these sets from Shein, and they have been doing me just right. I also love the checkered print on here, and I love how they have this detailing at the front, and it says coolest, and it kind of reminds me of like a boxer shorts that someone that does like professional MMA or boxing female would wear. So that's cool. Let's talk about more fashion stuff. So these are the shoes that I've been wearing. As you can see, I've been wearing the hell out of them because the details of where they're actually from is actually getting erased. So these slippers are from Fashion Nova. I think I got these in a 10. These slippers are from Fashion Nova. I just needed some flat, simple sandals that's going to look cute and casual that I can just throw on and go, and these did the trick. These are also super duper comfortable. I have no complaints. I've worn them multiple times. I wore them in Miami when we were on Memorial Weekend. I've worn them here when I just went to go get my nails done or do something, go to the store, and I also wore them recently when we went to Orlando to a party. So these have been saving your girl's feet. These look absolutely amazing, comfortable and cute, and you can't go wrong. I think these were like $9.99 or $10 or something. Super duper affordable. Talking about that, I need to go use my credit that I have on Fashion Nova. But anyways, and then these heels right here, these heels, there's just some square toe sandals, and these are from Public Desire. The first thing I want to point out is the bottom of these shoes. The bottom of these shoes have like little squares, so wherever you're walking, you're dancing or anything like that, you're not going to be falling. Another thing I love is that it is a square front. Like the front portion of this shoes is square, so if you have a more wider feet, it's going to look really sexy on your foot, and it's gonna fit your feet perfectly. Normally when you have more narrow shoes, narrow at the front, and you have wide feet, sometimes your toes be slipping off and stuff like that. So it's a no. So I love me a square toe shoe, and these are super comfortable. As you can see, I think these are about 2 to 3 inches high. I've worn these multiple times. I've danced in these, walked in these, almost run in these. These are super duper comfortable, and I had them on all night. So we left here like 8:30, and I didn't take them off until like 2 a.m. Amazing, amazing and comfortable. And I wore another heel from Public Desire, the strappy ones that y'all seen in my last vlog. Baby, those were uncomfortable. Never wearing those again. Never wearing those again. Okay, maybe if I'm wearing them for like 2 or 3 hours, but to go clubbing and to actually dance and stand up and have fun, no, it's a no. It's a good thing that we had chairs to sit on, because it was not giving. My feet was hurting like hell. So another thing that I've been loving, another thing that I've been loving is press on, and the ones from Kiss especially. And I normally get these at Walmart for anywhere from $5.99 to $9.99. And like if I have somewhere to go, or it's a date night or something, I like to stick these on my finger. And quite honestly, these last super long. I can keep these on my finger for a full week, if not 2 weeks, if I prep properly. And they look good if you know what you're doing. They can't tell you that these are not acrylic when you go out. So press on for the wins, because your girl have been trying to teach herself how to do her own nails, and it hasn't been going great. So when I mess up my nails or something, I will go to my press-ons. So get them. They're super convenient also. So like if I have like a video to do, or if it's date night or something else, I will put on some press-ons and be done with it. So let's talk about perfumes. Oh, I have more fashion stuff in here. Wait. Oh, let's talk about this. So this is a set that I got from Amazon. It's actually a workout set, and it comes with 3 bottoms. You buy them separately, and 3 tops. I got these in a medium. They fit absolutely amazing. They make you look so snatched. These I've worn to breakfast with babe. I've also wore the shorts out the other night when we went out. Looks good, okay? And you can wear them separate or together. You can wear them to run errands. You can wear the pants. I wear the shorts to go clubbing. It's super duper versatile, and these shorts and this top make you look good, really, really good. So yeah, and these are actually from Amazon, and I have 0 complaints. I actually need to go on there and write my review, because these lived up to the hype. I actually saw these on TikTok. They lived up to the hype, okay? They did what they were supposed to do. So the next thing I want to talk about is my TheraBreath Dentist Formulated Fresh Breath Oral Rinse. This, you can find this at Walmart, you can find it at CVS, you can find this at Target, you can find this anywhere at this point. This is my favorite mouthwash. This mouthwash makes your breath smell good, like really good, and you don't have morning breath. If you floss, brush your teeth, use this, perfection, amazing. And also, it don't have that harsh, I know a lot of people like that. It don't have that harsh flavoring when you rinse your mouth out with this. Unlike like other mouthwash, you have that harsh feeling like it's burning your mouth. This doesn't do that, and I absolutely love that it doesn't do that. If you want to wake up and not have morning breath, this gonna be your friend. And they have different flavors, so, and this have been my favorite so far. I've tried the pink one and the orange one and the green one, but the green one is my fave. So get you some TheraBreath, because it it does what it needs to do. Okay, this is the Dr. Jart every Sunday mineral sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 50. And I actually got this from Sephora, and I was watching a few videos. Dr. Alexis here on YouTube, she is a super beautiful dermatologist lady, dark skinned black woman here that does skincare videos, and she was saying that if you use sunscreen and it breaks you out, is because you're allergic to chemical sunscreen. And I used to actually wear chemical sunscreen, the super goop unseen sunscreen is what I used to, and every time I wear it I would break out. I got this chemical sunscreen, I've never had that problem since. So if you have sensitive skin, or when you use chemical sunscreen you break out, switch to a mineral sunscreen because you're allergic to chemicals, a chemical sunscreen. And this also helps heal your skin, so I love this a lot, and it's been saving me in this hot Florida weather. I use this on my face, I use this on my neck, I use this on my arms, I use this everywhere also, but I mostly use it for my face. And then these glasses are from Fashionable. They have gold hardware, and the side, that's what the side looks like. The side sometimes look gold, sometimes look blue, sometimes look green. It just depends on where the light is hitting it. This sunglasses is everything, okay? It is everything. It's giving expensive. It's giving luxury. I've worn these so many times, and every time I wear these out, especially during the day, people are always looking at these glasses. They're always eyeing this glass, okay? So get you this pair of glasses. And the gold, I think it's the brown, because this is not black. I don't know how it's coming off on camera. It kind of looks black on camera, but this is brown, and it has a brown light lens with a gold hardware, so it's giving luxury, okay? Luxury. Every time I wear these, people are always staring at these glasses, and I can understand why. I can definitely understand why. And then I have this box right here, so let's talk about it. This necklace is a necklace that Babe bought for me, and it's just a choker necklace. Babe bought these for me. I have no clue where he bought them, and to be real with you, I don't want y'all to have it, but I'll ask him and let him send me the link. But he got this necklace for me, and every single time I wore silver jewelry so far this spring summer, I've worn this necklace. It looks amazing. It looks great, and you've seen this in my videos before. Love this. And then the next necklace is this one. It is a gold necklace, and it has a butterfly pendant on it, and Babe also got this for me, and it looks amazing on the neck, and it just gives. Okay, these two necklaces have been like my favorite jewelry to wear, with like some simple stud earrings, gold or silver earrings, and that is my jewelry, and I'm out the door. Don't have to think too hard about it or anything like that. So let's talk about perfumes, which is what I'm going to wrap up this video with. So this is a perfume from Amazon, and this is a Arabic perfume oil. This is not even a perfume, it's a perfume oil, and I got this, was super affordable. And shout out to Fumi on TikTok is like, everybody, like, she is like a black auntie that talks about luxury perfume, and she always do these videos like amazing perfumes for under $50. And I saw she featured this in one of her videos, and I blind bought this perfume on Amazon, and it smells absolutely amazing. I actually wore this to bed. I did a little tiny bit on the back of my ears and on my arms, and I went to bed with it, and babe was like, what is that? What do you have on? I was like, all I have on is some lotion and a little bit of perfume oil, and it was this oil right here. This oil gave what it's supposed to give. Okay, it smells absolutely amazing. The lasting power on this baby, you don't even have to think about it. You don't have to last. Okay, I put this on one of my blouse and it's still on my blouse. I've washed that blouse and it's still on my blouse. Get it, get it. I don't even know the notes, but let's see. It's like a soft floral scent, like a soft, and it's not too florally or anything like that. It just smells great. I don't even know how to explain it. It smells like a baby, like or a nice soft. You know how a nice soft feminine woman that walks into the room and she just smells nice. This is what it smells like to me. And then so far this summer, my absolute favorite perfume from Dossier has been the Floral Lavender. I think this is a dupe for Libre, and I've smelled Libre already. I actually had a travel size of Libre in my bathroom, so I know what it smells similar to Libre. And this, as you can see from the, let me turn the back so you can see. I've put a dent in this perfume. Okay, every single time that I step out at nighttime, this is what I wear, because I want to turn heads. I want everybody to be like, she smells good. This is what I put on. This also mixed with this, girl, I don't even need to say anything more. So let's talk about the new ones that I've been using. So I have Woody Fraser, and this one, top notes is Fraser, blackcurrant, strawberry. The middle notes is rose, jasmine, and peach, and the base notes is patchouli, vanilla, blood woods or blonde woods, and musk. So this is the ones that I've been using so far in July. And then the top notes for this one, this is fruity, neroli, and this top notes have bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, strawberry. Middle notes, jasmine, tuberose, orange blossom, and then the base notes is vanilla, musk, and cider. The two things that I see in here that are common is blackcurrant, strawberry, and some form of jasmine in both of these. So I think I'm finally figuring out what type of notes and what type of perfume are my fave, and Dossier definitely allows me to do that. If you don't know, Dossier is a website you can buy really affordable perfume that smells like your high-end luxury perfume without breaking the bank. So I absolutely love that. I love Dossier. I'm gonna go back on there and grab me another floral lavender, and also I gave babe a perfume that is the dupe for the Baccarat Rouge 540, and I'm gonna go in there and get that one for myself also, because those two, everything. I'm actually gonna let him talk about the perfumes that I gave to him in another video, so all the persons that actually like men perfume or that are men and want more of those type of scents, y'all can actually listen to him and see what he has to say. But for now, those are my favorite things for summer 2022. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one.